Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't wait. Artie can't... Oh, I guess we should start then. Okay, everyone ready? Let's begin.
Artie!
Yeah?
Have you seen my carrot anywhere?
No.
It must be around here somewhere. Alright, I'll keep looking. Bye!
Okay.
Bye.
Keep watching. There's a song coming up really soon. I love drawing so much. Okay, it's time to stop for a minute and have a song. Are you ready, little artists? I hope you sing along at home. Here we go.
I like to sing songs. I like to ride my bike. I like to play games. I like to go on hikes. And I really, really, really like you. I like to read books. I like to watch TV. I like to run around. I like to climb trees. And I really, really, really like you. I like to sing with you. I like to dance with you. I like to play hide and seek all day. And I like to be with you. I like to jump rope. I like to count the stars. I like to walk my dog. I like to play guitar. And I really, 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 really like you.
Oh, that was a really good song. Now let's carry on with the drawing. Oh, this is so much fun. Painty! No!
Wow!
Oh, Painty, you made such a mess. Now I'm going to have to clean all that up. I'm finished! Wow, it came out really, really good. Yeah, what should we do now? Oh, I know, let's color it in.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
This one is very arty. Well, I mean, I am called Artie after all. Well, the colour helped a lot for sure, and I love the shapes and the circles. And, oh, it's a good one. I'm very proud of this.
See you next time. Carrot kisses and fun wishes.
Well, that's the end of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't it fun? I loved it. Hope you enjoyed the drawing and the song. And we'll see you again soon on Artie's show. Bye-bye for now. Bye.